squat, lunge with no rest. All right, guys. We're doing 12 of everything.
Like 20 seconds.
And then
20 seconds.
We'll try it. Okay, ready? Here we go. We're going down our squat and up. Good. And squat. And up. Good. Am I going too fast? Squat. And up. Good. Squat. 4. And up. 5. And up. Good. Squat. And up. Squat. And up. Good. Weights in your heels. Almost there. Good. We're doing 2 more. Awesome. We're going right into lunge. So grab your chair if you need it. We're stepping back into our lunge. We're going to do both legs. We're going to do 12 reps on each leg, okay? Here we go, and take it back. And 1, and up. Good. 2, 3.
Squeeze that bottom when you come up.
You got that, yeah. Weight your heel.
Squeeze your bottom.
Squeeze. I heard that. Gotta make it work. Good. Multitasking, trying to count and watch at the same time. Good, last one. And switch legs. Here we go. And take it back. 1, and up. 2, and up. 3, and up. 4, and up. 5. That is a good one.
I do a lot of them.
You do? I can tell. Good.
Awesome. Good for you.
Good.
Your tummy, 'cause I'm not.
2 more. Last one.
I can feel that quad.
Good. Now we're doing push-up. Okay. I think that was next on the agenda. If you need to find a wall, find a wall. So we have, if you want to do them on the floor. Yeah, you want to do them on the floor on your knees?
I can do that.
Yeah, totally. Totally. Here we go. We're doing 12. And go. 1. And 2. Good, guys. 3. Watch me, Katie. 5. 6. Good. 7. You can go lower than that. You got that? Nice, guys. Awesome. Last one. Good. All right. Now we're going into our pull. Yep, so grab your band, grab your buddy. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Good. Kind of count for your friend because I cannot count everyone. So just make sure you're knocking out 12 reps. That's it, shoulders down your back. Get your elbows to your side a little bit more. There you go. Yeah, that's it. Good, shoulders down your back. 3 more? Yep.
I have to move closer to my...
Yes, just like that. And then lean forward a little bit. Lean in opposition. So think as you pull your arms back, there you go. Last one. Good. That's it. 2 more times. We're going to do the exact same thing we just did. So starting with your squat. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And 1. Good. And 2. And 3. Good. 4. Pushing into your heels. Good. Push your knees out to the side a little bit. There you go. Good. Last one. Good deal. Now we're going into lunge, so grab your chair if you need it. Taking it back. 12 on each side. If you've already started, you can count it, or you can go with me. 1, and up. Good. 2, and up. 3, and up. Good. 4, 5, 6, 7,
Still like
8, 9, 10, good, 11,
one more.
and 12. Good job. Take it out and switch sides. Good job, guys. Anybody else feel like spaghetti? Here we go, other side. And 1. And up. Good. 2. And 3. And 4. Good. 5. 6. 7. 8. I'm keeping up with your rhythm. 9.
Okay.
10. 11. Good, last one, 12. Awesome. Take that out and find the ball. We're doing our push-up again. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And 1. And 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Good job. Find your partner again. We're doing our standing row.
Okay.
Alright, here you go. Ready? 3, 2,
I don't want to go
1.
first. Oh, sure.
Count for your partner.
You got it. I would run push-ups. 3.
There you go.
4.
4. Yeah, all in your upper body. No motion below your hips. Good.
6. 7.
That's 5.
8. 9. 10. 11. 11 on the horse.
Good. We have one more time. Right? You want to do a little stretch before the next time? Okay, so let's kind of stretch it out a little bit. If you're near a chair, you can grab your chair. Have one foot out in front of the other and lean down. So you're hip hinging forward, stretching out the back of your leg. Yep, stretch it out. What? It's your quads? We'll hit your quads. And switch. Your quads down. Go ahead.
Huh?
You're cramping. Okay. We'll take care of that and get some water as well. Good. Hold on to that chair again. If you can grab that leg here. Okay? If you cannot, you can actually put your foot in the chair and let it kind of rest there, and that will do the trick for you. Yep. We want to think when we're here, though, that we're not tilting our hips forward. We want to think,
Keep straight.
yep, right there, because that's where we want to stretch. Because otherwise, we are not hitting that hip flexor into our quad, okay? Good. Switch sides. Does everyone else's quads feel a little crampy, or are we good? Pretty good?
We're working.
Yeah, working out. It's all those lunges, that's what it is. Good, does that feel a little bit better? Anything else need to be stretched out? Or we feel like we're ready to go again?
Third circuit.
Only one more time. Y'all are doing awesome. How do we feel? We feel good?
Yes. Ready.
Now we'll step next. Okay, you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, and go. 1. Hand up. Good. 2. Hand up. 3.
And you thought this was going to be cool?
4.
It's all glued to that.
Good. 7.
Work that glue.
8. 9. 10. Pushing your knees out. 11. Good. Last one. Good. All right. Now we're going into lunge. Grab that chair. Pick a side. Are you okay? Good. All right. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And a 1. And 2. 3, 4, 5. Good. Nice and tall when you stand up. 7, 8. Good. 9, 10, 11, and 12. Good. Switch. Other side. This is your last time you have to do the lunge. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. 1. Good. 2. 3. 4. 5. Good. 6. 7. 8. Still thinking about letting that knee go out. 11. Last one. Good job. Final wall. We're going into push-up. Going into push-up. 3, 2, and go. Make sure you're pulling your shoulders away from your ears. Nice long necks. Good, guys. That's it. Yep, shoulders down your back. Core is tight, pulling your belly button back. Good. Last time with your row. Last one. Look alive, guys. Y'all are doing awesome. Doing good.
Whoa.
Whoa. Is that enough for you? Does it feel strong enough? All right, here we go.
I think so.
Yep. And one. Good. Scoot this way just a little bit.
There's somebody right behind you.
Yeah. We want to knock her out.
Oh, didn't realize that.
You're okay.
3.
Slight soft knee. Bend in that knee.
Didn't know that.
Yeah, just a little, just a nice. We just don't want to lock our knees out. 4 more. Yeah, just your back.
There you go. That was a good
Nice
one.
job. That last one
was the best.
Sometimes it takes a couple times. Cool. So everyone grab a chair. This is going to be the last thing we do, and then we're going to do our cool down and call it a day. How's everybody feeling? Is it scary anymore? Or are we fine?
We're fine.
We're good.
And this is something you can do at home.
Yes, this is something we can do at home. Okay,
You do it
so
every day.
get to the side of your chair. Right, one side of your chair. We're going to have the leg that's closest to the chair, the working leg, okay? This arm that's free out to the side is going to be our reaching arm, okay? You have a slight bend in your knee. We never want to lock out our knee, okay? So slight bend in your knee. We're going to think that there's an object right out here, okay? If you're at home, you can put like a stool or something in front of you to reach for. We're keeping our shoulders down our back. We just worked on this, so we're here. Keep your shoulders down your back. You're trying to make this flat back, slight bend in your knee. As you come up, push into that heel. Find that neutral spine here. So we're not here, we're here, okay? Let's do 12.
What do you call it?
So it's either a single leg deadlift, if you add weight to it, or it could be called a cone touch. You're just reaching, but single leg deadlift. Good, knock out 12 on each leg. I'm gonna make sure we're good. That's it. Yeah, because it's a little bit more quickly, so like reach forward, not just with your hand. I think your body comes down a little bit more. Yeah. That's it, and then come up, push it to your heel. That's it, yeah. And the lower, we can progress this. So if you're reaching just here, totally fine. But when you get to where you can do this without the chair, then we want to try to reach a little bit lower so we can put more stretch on the muscle. That's what will make it stronger. Okay?
Straight, right?
That's it. So what I want you to try is try to keep your knee in the same position. Don't bend it anymore. Let your feelings.
And the other leg is back.
Yeah, and then slight soft knee. That was it.
Yeah.
That's it. Yep, and you're reaching forward. And when you do 12, switch sides and do the other leg. Yep. It's hard to balance. And what we don't want to happen, guys, is that our knee comes in this way. If anyone can see that. You want to think that you're driving your foot into the ground and corkscrewing your leg from the top of your hip, because then you'll have to work your glute over here as well. If we're here hanging out, this isn't activating. So we want to think, corkscrew it out, use your abductor, okay? Did we get 12? It's hard when you don't have a chair. I will say that it actually is easier when you can have a weight. The weight even
on your ankle?
So you'll hold it in this hand, and if you have a little weight, it kind of teeter-totters. So it depends what you're going for. If you're going for a high object, if you're going for really low object, right there. Eventually, we would like to be able to touch right next to our.
Oh, I don't.
Yeah. While keeping a super flat back, because we're hinging at the hip. The motion's not anywhere but the hip joint, so we're only hinging this way.
Yes.
We're gonna pull it down. Y'all did an awesome job. All right, so if you need your chair, you can have it next to you, but let's reach our arms up. And we're going down towards our feet. Slight bend in your knees. If you can't reach your feet, you hold onto that chair and stretch right here. Yep, and then let's reach it back up. Stretch real big, you're breathing in real deep. Breathing out to reach towards your toes. Good.
Knees slightly down.
Yep, and then back down. Good. If you can hang out here just for a
No,
second.
your knees are kind of straight.
So slightly bent. We don't want to keep them super straight. Yep, we want to keep our soft knee. Good. Awesome. Separate your legs. Just a little bit arm squat to the side. We're going to take opposite arm reach towards that foot. Okay, we're stretching out the backs of our legs. We didn't do too much hamstring except for this last one. You need that chair, you just hold on to that chair. Good, and then bring it up and switch sides. Ooh. Good, put your hands in the middle.
Oh, right.
Or put them right on top of your legs. Or hold on to that chair. Right, we have that chair. Good, and bring it up. Awesome. Take our arms over, cross it over. When we're here, pull it down. Yep, pull it away from your, yep. This one's a little tricky.
Yeah.
And up, and out. Good. Yep, pulling it down, and we don't want to be here, we want to be up. Good. Up, behind you. If you feel stretch here, that's fine. If you want to grab your elbow, but we don't want to be caving in this way, okay? If we have really tight chest, we might just need to open it up this way a little bit, right? Because it might not, or if our shoulder's tight, we can't really open our chest, okay? So you might have to pull it down. Other side. Up. Good, guys. Awesome work. Last thing, you're going to take your hands behind you and see if you can open up your chest. If you can't open up your chest, just take your thumbs and turn them out and look towards the ceiling, stretching out your chest. Good, and then clasp your fingers and stretch out your upper back. Good deal. How does everybody feel? Feel good?
Yeah, I got it working out.
You did? Yeah, and this is all stuff that you can do at home, so you don't have to have a gym membership. Do we have any questions for me? Any at all? You can talk to me afterwards. Good?
Thank you. That was great.
Thank you.
I'm glad you're not crying.